Good evening, friends. So after so many days, okay, sir, this batch already two batches are there in this classroom. Sir, we are going to have the programs from, okay, so already we completed 150 programs. So from 151 to, sir, 200 programs combined class is going to be taken. Okay, sir, from 200 onwards, as usual, 6 p.m. batch you have to log in with your 6 p.m. credentials, and 7:30 batch the syllabus is going to be finished. Okay, so what is the next program is sum of adjacent distances. Sum of adjacent distances. Write a program to calculate and return sum of distances between the adjacent numbers in an array of positive integers. Sir, we have positive integers array is there. Sum of adjacent numbers distance we have to calculate. Sir, what is the logic for this program? So first we have to open the problem statement. So from test cases, we will try to analyze the logic. Okay, sir, if this is the input, output is 12, sir. Let me cross check. Sir, first we have to take 10 minus 11. What is its value, sir? Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, sir, next 11 minus 7. Sir, what is its value, sir? 4. Then 7 minus 12. Sir, what is its value, sir? 5. Then, sir, 12 minus 14. What is its value, sir? 2. Of course, all the elements got completed. Now, sir, this minus 1, consider it as a positive, like absolute value. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. What is the result, sir? 12. Sir, is it our required result or not? Yes. So this sum of distances between the adjacent numbers in the array. Okay, but please make sure that whenever you are coming to the last element, we have to stop one element before that. I will explain in the program, sir. Okay, please confirm, sir. First we have to take sum is equal to 0. Then for I is equal to 0, don't take I less than n. You have to take I less than n minus 1, and then I plus plus. Sir, here we have to take sum is equal to sum plus, you need to apply absolute value, absolute difference between a of I to a of I plus 1. Like this we have to take, sir. Okay, this is nothing but the logic what we have. Sir, please confirm if this logic is clear for you people. I will go with implementation, sir. Please confirm, sir, is the logic is clear for you? Yes, please confirm, friends. Everyone, sir, please be active. Is the logic is clear for you people? Right, sir. So let me go for C language implementation of this program, sir. So how we can implement in C language? Yeah, it is a mixed, mostly arrays programs only. Okay, sir, from 100 to, I mean that 101 to, sir, 200, all the programs are related to arrays only. Now just have a look once. Integer I am taking a of 100 n I to run the looping statement and sum. First we have to read size of the array. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Next, and after that we need to read the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I am taking. Right. Sir, next initially sum is equal to 0. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, what we have to do? Sorry, I less than n minus 1 you have to take. Sir, I am calculating sum is equal to sum plus ABS function is there in C language, sir. I am taking a of I minus a of I plus 1 you have to take. Sir, finally you need to print the value of sum. That's all. Let me run the code. Sir, all the test cases are satisfied, and let us submit the code. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases satisfied or not. Yes, this is nothing but, sir, how you can implement in C language. I want to go for Java implementation. How we can solve this program in Java, we will see now. So let us go for Java implementation. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of within bracket system dot in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next into we have to take integer I am taking, and sum is also required. Sir, next and after that integer a is equal to new integer of n. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, sir, we have to read the elements, right? I think brackets are not required. So a of I is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So next, what is our requirement? We have to calculate some right difference. For I is equal to 0, okay, I less than n, I plus plus. So what we have to do? You need to calculate a sum is equal to sum plus, sir, math dot abs of a of I minus a of I plus 1. Like this we have to take. Sir, finally, system dot out dot println of, we have to print the value of sum. That's all. Okay, sir, initially I didn't declared sum is equal to 0. And here also we have to take n minus 1. Otherwise, what will happen? Array index out of bounds chances will be there. So perfectly working, and let us run the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but what we have in Java. Sir, I want to go for Python implementation. How we can solve this program in Python, we will see now. Sir, how to solve in Python, sir? Very simple. Let us take Python code. N is equal to, I am taking int of input, then list is equal to, sir, I am taking int of I. Okay, int of I for each I value in input dot split. Sir, now what we have to do? Sum is equal to 0. Okay, for each I in, for each I in the range of n minus 1 0 to, sir, you can't take n, you have to take n minus 1. Then, sir, I am going to find a sum is equal to, sir, sum plus abs of what we have to take, l of I minus l of I plus 1. That's all. So finally we have to print the value of sum, sir. So it is going to print the result. Let me cross check. Yes, let us submit the code. Sir, you can see all the test cases are satisfied or not. Yes, this is nothing but how we can implement this code in Python, sir. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Right, sir. So let me go for next program, 152. So what is this program? Odd even online game. Odd even online game. Sir, let us solve this program. First, analyze the logic. What is a problem statement? You are playing an online game. Okay, sir, in this game a list of n numbers is given. The player has to arrange the numbers so that all odd numbers of the list come after even numbers. Okay, all the odd numbers of the list come, sir, after even elements. So we have to write an algorithm to arrange the given list such that all odd numbers of the list comes after even elements. Sir, logic is very simple. We have array elements are there. Sir, first we have to print even elements. Next we have to print odd elements. Sir, beyond that nothing is there. Directly I am going for C language implementation, sir. Let us see how we can implement this program in C language. Sir, I am opening 152. Let us see how we can solve this. Yes, observe carefully, sir. Integer I am taking a of 100. Sir, I is required, n is required. So first we have to read array size, sir. I am present n I am taking. So next what we have to do, sir, we need to calculate, sorry. Yes, sir, we have to calculate, okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, we are going to read the elements like scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I we have to take. Okay, fine. Next, and after that, what is our next requirement, sir? So we have to print first even elements. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We don't know, that's why, sir, we are going to check every element. If a of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, then that element is nothing but even element. Sir, we are printing that. Okay, sir, after that we have to print odd elements, right? So for odd elements, what logic we have to take, sir? A of I percentage 2 is not equal to 0 means we have to print. So let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. You can see all the remaining test cases are satisfied. Right, sir. Let me go for Java implementation. I want to solve this program in Java. Let us see how you can implement in Java, sir. I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system dot in. Okay, then integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int I am taking. Then integer I is required, sir, a of empty brackets. So a is equal to new integer of how many values? N values. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading all the integer values. Sir, next what we have to do? For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. You need to check if a of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, then we are going to print that element. System dot out dot print of a of I followed by space. That is for even elements. Suppose if odd elements came into the picture, I less than n, I plus plus. So if a of I percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then so system dot out dot print of, sir, we have to take a of I plus space. That's all. So it is going to print both even elements, after that odd elements, like this we have. Okay, sir, let us go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this program by using Python? Let us see, sir. So I'm taking here, sorry, sir, I'm taking here n is equal to int of input. Then, sir, I am taking list is equal to int of I for each I value in input dot split. Then for each I in the list, first we have to check whether it is even element or not. If I percentage 2 is equal to 0, then we have to print I and end is equal to space. So after that, for each I value in list, sir, if I percentage 2 is not equal to 0, sir, we have to print the value of I, and I am taking end is equal to space. That's all. So let me run the code how it is going to work. Yes, and submit the code. Right, sir. Sir, some people are asking some doubt. Okay, what is that doubt? Is nothing but, sir, in the question it is asked to rearrange the array. Yes, yes, but please make sure, if it is the case, what you have to do in Java, you have to create another array called b. So try to, instead of printing, try to push it into b array. After that, try to push it into b array. That thing you can do, I think so. Okay, just output requirement I am satisfying, but such type of things you can do by your own. Clear, Rahul? Nothing, we have to replace this statement by pushing that element into another array. No, 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 we can't replace the elements in the original array. Okay, yes, of course array is mutable, we can do modifications, but so one room you can't arrange, right? You have to take a separate array, then you have to do. Clear, Rahul? Sir, please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? I request everyone to respond. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Please confirm, sir. Right, sir. Now, sir, let me go for the next challenge. What we have here is LBP number 153. Sir, what is this program? Garments Company Apparel. Okay. Sir, very simple. The Garments Company Apparel wishes to open outlets at various locations. They are planning to open outlets at various locations. The company shortlisted several plots in their locations and wishes to select only plots that are square shaped. Okay, they are going to select the plots which are square shaped. Write an algorithm to help appraisal to find a number of plots that is can be selected for it outlets. Okay, sir, very simple. So here, if I want to talk logically, they have given an array, sir. Okay, they have given an array. In that array, sir, areas are there. Okay, sir, you can see here. So yes, square shaped plots they required. Sir, they have given, sir, some areas, some areas of outlets. Sir, in these two, is it a perfect square? Because, sir, square shaped plots they are going to select. Is 12 is made up of a squares or perfect squares, sir? No, sir. Is 13 is made? No. Is 14? No. Is 15? No. Is 16? Yes. 4 into 4 is 16, right? Sir, how many plots are there with a square shaped in this? Only one. That is nothing but the output. Sir, here if you take, sir, how many plots are there with the square shape? Sir, there are two plots are there. Okay, sir, one square, one. So second one is nothing but two square, four. Two plots are there. Okay, like if you take here, sir, there are three plots are there in this. Sir, what are those? You can see here, 25, 5 square. Okay, then 49, I think 7 square. Okay, next, any other, sir? 36 also, right? 6 into 6. So total three outlets we can able to build. Okay, I hope the concept is very clear for you. Rahul, you can do that. You can do that, but see, the positions are fixed here. That is the problem. In odd and even online game, the positions are fixed. Okay, positions in the sense, sir, order I am talking. So if this is the input, so first even elements 2 and 4 should be there in order 2, 4. Then 1, 3, 5. That order should remain same. If you perform swapping, then definitely that values are going to be shifted, right? See, one is going to move at this position, sir. Then 4 will come here. 4, 2 is going to come. But actually 2, 4 is our requirement. Clear, Rahul? Yes. You try. If it is possible, then no problem. Sir, please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you? Sir, please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you? How I am going to implement, you will see. Right, sir. So let me go for implementation, sir. It is a somewhat, oh, only Python is there. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 53, only Python is there. Yeah. Sir, I want to implement the code in C language, sir. I want to implement the code in C language. Let us see how we can implement. Sir, I am taking, okay, I am taking integer, sir, a of maximum 100 elements, I and then a. Sir, somewhere count is required, some other variable is also required for me. So first I want to read sizes, sir. Percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, what we have to do, sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I am taking. We are going to read the elements. Sir, next what we have to do, sir, for I is equal to 0. Okay, for I is equal to 0. So I less than, let us initially make count is equal to 0. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, what is your requirement? Sir, for k is equal to, I am starting from 1, or j is equal to, I am starting from 1, j less than or equal to a of I. Suppose if a of I is 5, sir, up to 5 we will square 1. 1 square, is it equal to 5 or not, we will check. Okay, sir, if it is not 2 square, is it equal to 5 or not, we will check. Like that, up to 5 we are going to check, sir. Okay, sir, up to 5 we are going to check. So j plus plus, keep on we are checking. Sir, if the value of k into k perfect square is equal to a of I, means yes, count plus plus. So finally you can print how many counts are there. That's all. Let us run the program. Sir, k into, sorry, I j into j, sir, I am always going for k. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied, and let us execute the program. Sir, this is nothing but how you can able to execute, sir. Next, and after that, I want to go for Java implementation of this program. Sir, how we can implement in Java, sir? Let me take Java. So format is different. Okay, no problem. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner. I am taking system dot in. I am taking. Then, sir, integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int. What are the another variables required? So I, j, and then count is also required. Sir, integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, you have to read all the elements. A of I is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So next, what we have to do, sir? Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, what is your requirement? Sir, I am going to take for j is equal to 1. So j less than or equal to a of I. Okay, j plus plus, you have to multiply. Sir, if j into j is double equal to a of I, then count plus plus we have to take. Okay, sir, finally system dot out dot println of I am taking count. Beyond that, nothing is there. So let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed, and submit the code. You can see all the remaining test cases also passed, sir. So hope you got the clarity. Now I want to go for Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this program in Python? Let us have a look once. So I'm taking n is equal to int of input. Then we need to take a list. Sir, int of I, for each I value in input dot split. What is our next requirement, sir? We have to take count is equal to 0. Sir, for each I value in list. Okay, for each I value in list. So we need to take another loop. So for j in the range of, so starting from 1, right? Starting from 1 to including I value we have to take. Sir, if j into j is equal to I, then count is equal to count plus 1. Finally, I'm printing the value of C. Yes, all the test cases are passed. and submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see the remaining test cases are satisfied or not. Yes. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases are satisfied, sir. This is the way how you can implement in Python. Sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, Pratik? Because every number you have to check whether it is a perfect square or not. For that purpose, we have to take like that, Pratik. Every number is a perfect number or not, we have to check for that purpose. So how you can check? So 1 into 1, is it equal to that element? So 2 into 2, is it equal to that element? Like that we are checking every time. Sir, I am requesting everyone to please respond. Up to this, is it clear, friends? Can we do it in big one time? Sahit, I don't know about that, but you can try. Yes, definitely there will be shortcuts. Yeah, we can take square root also. Rahul, correct. We can take square root also. Yes. Sir, let me go for next program, sir. Yeah, yeah. So let me go for the next one, sir. So 154. Sir, what is this program here? Pooled cab service. Okay. Pooled cab service. A company wishes to provide, okay, service for their N employees. They are trying to provide service for their N employees. Sir, the employees have distance ranging from 0 to N minus 1. So they are having a distance ranging from 0 to N minus 1. The company has calculated the total distance from employees' residence to the company. Okay, they have calculated the total distance from an employee's residence, okay, that is house to that company, considering the path to be by the cab is nothing but a straight path. Sir, the distance of the company from itself is nothing but 0. The distance for the employees who live on the left side of company is represented with negative sign. Okay, the distance, so who the persons who are living to the left side of company is represented with negative, sir. And the distance for the employees who live, okay, to the right side of the company is represented with a positive sign. Okay, sir, the cab will be allotted, okay, a cab will be allotted a range of distance. Sir, the company wishes to find the distance for the employees who live within the particular distance range. Write an algorithm to find the distance for the employees who live within the distance ranges. They have given already distance, size of the list, how many elements will be there, starting distance and ending distance of an array. Sir, we have to find out how many employees are there within these distances, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay, sir, first we will see some test cases, then we will get clarity, because the program is very big. Problem statement confusion. Sir, you can see here 6 is nothing but a number of employees. So their distance is nothing but 28, sir, 38, so 12, okay, 48, 39, 55. They have given the range of cab 30 to 50. So that means the employees who are there in between 30 to 50, such a type of employees it is going to pick up. 29, is it in the range, sir? No. 38, is it in the range? Yes, it is going to pick up. Sir, 12, is it in the range? No. 48, is it in the range? Yes, pick up. Sir, 39, is it in the range? Yes, pick up. Sir, 55, is it in the range? No. So don't pick up. Like that we have to take, sir. So hope the concept is clear for you people, sir. Please confirm if the concept is clear. I will go with implementation of this program, friends. Please confirm. Right, sir. Yeah, yeah, it's easy program only, but seems to be the problem statement is very big. Let me select C language. Sir, I am taking integer a of 100. So n and then I we have to take, beyond that nothing. And distance 1, distance 2. Sir, scanf, first they are reading the value of n, next and after that they are reading the distance, ampersand d1 comma ampersand d2. Okay, sir, now for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, how to take the input, sir? Scanf percentage d comma ampersand, sir, we have to take e of I. Okay, ampersand e of I we have to take. Next and after that, sir, for I is equal to, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, every element you have to check. Sir, if your a of I is greater than or equal to t1, and is your a of I is less than or equal to d2. If it is the situation, system dot out dot println, sorry, system dot out dot print of a of I followed by space. That's all. So let me run the code. Sir, it is a C language code. I have taken this one. So we have to take, sir, printf percentage d followed by e of I. That's all. So all the test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Oh, some test cases are failing. Sir, maybe the problem statement may be twist. Sir, if distance within range is not there, we have to print -1. Okay. Oh, that is also there. If distance is not there within the range, sir, we have to print -1. Yeah, I will do one thing. I will take some flag variable as 0. Okay. No, we can't take like that. We need to cross check. If no distance is there, then we have to print -1. That is nothing but our requirement. Better by taking flag variable, we can manipulate. Not -1, sir. You can see here they have given in the negative sign also. That is a problem. They have given in the negative sign, but here there is no public test case with the negative sign. That's why we didn't concentrate it. Sir, you can take abs of a1 and abs of like this, because the negative sign is also allowed here, but we have to consider in the form of positive. Yeah. Sir, you can see all the test cases are passed, sir. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. So let me implement the program in Java. Let us see how we can implement in Java, sir. So I want to take Java code. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner. I want to take within bracket system dot in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next in time taking. Okay, sir, integer we have to take I, and then so a is equal to new integer of n, and even distance also we have to take d1 and then d2. D1 is equal to obj dot next in time taking. D2 is equal to, sir, obj dot so next int obj dot next in time taking. Okay, so next what is our requirement, sir? We have to first read the array elements. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I is equal to obj dot next int, like this we are taking. So next, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, you need to check if math dot abs, math dot abs of a of I is greater than are equal to d1. Okay, and sir, math dot abs of a of I, okay, is less than or equal to d2. If it is the case, so then what we have to do, sir, you need to print that value, system dot out dot print of a of I am taking, a of I am taking, like this. So let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Sir, you can see here all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but a Java implementation what we have. So let me go for Python implementation. How we can solve this program by using Python, we will see now. How to solve in Python, sir? N is equal to, you have to take int of n, list is equal to, sir, int of I for each I value in input dot split. So sorry, before that we have to take d1 comma d2. They are giving in a single line, sir, that's why we have to take so tuple comprehension, sorry, tuple unpacking. So for each I value in input dot split, already we have covered this. That's all. Now we have to check every element, sir, for each I value in L. Okay, sir, if abs of I is greater than or equal to d1 and abs of I is less than or equal to d2, then, sir, we have to print the value of I by taking end is equal to empty, sir. That's all. So let me cross check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working properly. Sir, you can see all the test cases are satisfied. Sir, please confirm, up to this, do you have any doubts, sir? Up to this, do you have any doubts, sir? Please confirm. Right, sir. Sir, the next program 155. Sir, what is this program? Why if we are not taking ABS? See, they are telling the employees who are there in the left side of company is having the kilometers with negative sign, like minus 32 kilometers. So if they are in the right side, plus 35 kilometers, like that. In the input, there may be a chance of getting distance in negative also. Okay, if you are not taking abs, because d1 and d2 they have given positive values in the in between, sir, 30 to 50 kilometers who are employees are there. So in the left side, if minus 40 is there, that we have to consider. For that we are applying abs. Pratik. Yeah, distance cannot be negative, but I am telling, in the left hand side they are giving the assumption. In the left hand side, sir, if it is a company, the people who are there inside left side of this here. So if 1 kilometer, if a person is there in 1 kilometer, here also person will be there with 1 kilometer. So if it is 1 kilometer, don't tell it is also 1 kilometer, you have to take -1. See, that kilometer is not negative. This negative representing it is there towards left. Are you getting the point? Yeah, we should not consider negative value at the time of calculation. Just for counting how many members are there in between the distance. So at the time you have to neglect that direction. So minus indicates direction, sir. Okay. Right, sir. Sir, 155. Kth shortest processing queue. Sir, it is seems to be a big program, but nothing is there here. Observe carefully. Sir, a company wishes to modify the technique by which tasks in the processing queue are executed. There are n processes are there with unique IDs from 0 to n minus 1. Sir, each of these tasks has its own execution time. The company wishes to implement a new algorithm for processing the task, sir. For this purpose, they have identified a value k by the new algorithm. The processor will first process that has k the shortest execution time. Sir, nothing is there. They have a queue. In that kth shortest execution time you have to find out. That means kth shortest element you have to take. Sir, logic is very simple. First sort dare, and then sir print a of k minus 1. That's all right. Sir, let us open some test cases. Maybe you will get some clarity. Sir, you can see here 7 5, fifth shortest element, but we have to sort the elements. If you take this one, minus 7 comma minus 6, sir, minus 3, then sir 8, and then 9, and then 10, and then 18. So kth shortest element, what is the k value they have given? Sir, 5. So a of 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 4, sir. So 0th element, first element, second element, third element, and then fourth element. 9 is the answer. That's all. Sir, nothing but something like sorting program only. Just a small modification you have to do. Sir, 1 minute. Somewhere we have seen these kind of programs, sir, like something like 110. Sort the elements, and even we have seen minimum element, maximum element, right? There we have max element. Yes, sir, we have sorted the array, and then we did a small modification. Same concept here I am taking. Sir, observe carefully. Instead of printing a of n minus 1, I am printing k minus 1, where you have to read the k value. So yes, after n we have to read the value of k. Let me take a k. Sir, after n I am going to read the value of k, sir. Let us check whether this code is going to execute or not. So I am going to implement the code in C language. Perfectly working, and submit the code. Perfectly working, sir. Now I think no need to explain in Java, you can understand by yourself. Sir, k is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, what we have to do, you need to print k minus 1. Sir, even in Python also, sir, k is equal to int of input. Sir, we need to print a of k minus 1. Sir, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Right, sir. Sir, remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow, as usual, please log in at 7 o'clock, sir. Please log in at 7 o'clock. Okay. Sir, from 7 to 8, I'm going to take the session. Okay. Yeah, thank you. You can leave the session. Thank you, sir.